Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 11, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any other two cells. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 6. 5th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. Column H, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 1st grade and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 9. Column C also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 1. 10th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Third row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then no one is here. 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Third row, we have 5. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.